Hi guys, today's recipe is mango carrot cake. If you are interested, please stay tuned. If you're new here, a special welcome to you. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let's get started. In my bowl, I have 3 medium-sized room temperature eggs. To that, I added 1 teaspoon of lime zest. I also removed the eyes so that the cake will not be raw. So here I'm just adding half a teaspoon of salt. After I added the salt, I am going to start beating on a medium to low speed for about a minute just to combine the ingredients together. Afterwards, I am going to increase the speed to a high and beat for about 3 minutes. When the eggs reaches this consistency, I am going to stop and add half cup of sugar. You can add the sugar to your taste, but remember the mango is sweet. Now I'm going to beat for 2 more minutes, then I'm going to add the oil. So here I am adding quarter cup of vegetable oil. I am using half a cup of shredded carrot for this recipe. This is the size carrot that I use. So I had a medium sized carrot and I divided it into 2 equal parts. Also, I'm going to be using 1 lime, a small lime. I actually removed the zest from the lime. I am using 3/4 cup of mango puree. To get the mango puree, I added the mango chunks into the blender and blend until it becomes smooth. I am adding 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Stir to combine the ingredients together. I will be adding 1 teaspoon of orange food coloring. You can add half if you like. One and a half cups of plain flour. You can also use all-purpose flour. 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So what I'm doing here is to use a spatula to mix the batter. I am using the cut and fold method. Cake batter is ready, so I'm going to set it aside and grease my cake tin. I will be using butter to grease it. You can also use oil, and you can place your parchment paper or your flour. I'm just going to be using the butter. So here I am pouring my butter into the greased cake tin. Afterwards, I am going to bake it in my preheated oven at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. So guys, my cake is finished baking. It is so soft, moist and fluffy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So normally when I finish baking my cake, I would use a clean cloth to cover the cake so that it can seal all the moisture inside, and also when you add the cloth on top of the cake, it will not dry out as it cools. So guys, please remember to give this video a big thumbs up as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Please share this video with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.